Your Valentine's Day folding guide, where we'll show you how to fold a rose and a heart napkin, this rose pocket square, and the Rosebud necktie. Sure to impress your significant other. The rose napkin. First, bring a napkin to a diamond and fold the bottom corner up to the top. Then, roll the bottom edge up towards the top. You'll want to leave about 4 inches unrolled. Next, take one end and begin rolling that all the way to the top. Take the end and tuck it in to a previous roll. And then take these flaps and fan them out. And there is your rose napkin. Next, we'll do the heart napkin. Fold the bottom and the top into the middle. Then fold the top down. Place your finger in the middle and fold both of those corners down. Flip the napkin over and then put your finger down here and fold the upper left corner down and underneath. Repeat that process on the right side. Flip that back over. And then you are going to tuck in the upper right and left corners to round out the heart. There is the heart napkin. Now we'll go to the rose pocket square. With a red and a green pocket square, fold your red one up, then roll that up, similar to how we did the napkin. If you have a rubber band or something to grab it, that works as well. You can set that one aside. Next, take your green napkin, fold the top corner down, lay your rose off-centered, and then you're going to fold the green over a few times and fold the back there, and there is your rose pocket square. Last, we'll look at the rosebud tie from a mirrored perspective. So with the narrow end on your left and the wide end on your right, have the wide end just slightly below your belt. Form a dimple with the right end, bring it towards the center with the narrow end crossing over. Bring the narrow end up the hole you just formed and off to the left side. Then you can bring that underneath the tie. Then once it gets there, you can bring that up and into that hole you formed and back towards the left side. Next, you're going to cross over your tie on the front, bringing that across over the top so you're not covering up those other cross pieces. Now bring that up the hole, and you may need to adjust the tie here. Once you've adjusted it, you can bring that off to the left side. You're going to bring that behind the back and cross it over, making sure that you're not covering up any other portions of the tie, so bring it up over the top and then wrap that around the tie underneath your collar. Again, you may need to adjust as you go, but bring it up, cinch it up to your neck, and bring your collar down. And that is the Rosebud Tie. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tutorials helpful for this Valentine's Day.